चलो कल टीचर को बोल दो गुस्सा चढ़ रहा था मैंने नहीं किया समझा रही है.
Hello everyone. Moving further, in lab 6, we would be creating and using Amazon Machine Images, which is AMI, which is a template for the root volume for the instance, such as an operating system, an application server, and applications. It gives the required information to launch an instance, which is a virtual server in cloud. Few of the benefits of AMI is that you can launch as many instances as you need and as many AMI you can specify or use different AMIs as you need. Also, you can define the permission during launch for controlling which AWS account can use the AMI to launch, and can specify a block device mapping of the volume to attach the instance while it launch. In this lab, we would be creating new images of current web server instance and launch EC2 AMI of web server and Q server instance to configure the resources for web server O2 instance and read replica from original web server. Over here, we would be going using EC2 service. I've already created two AMIs. You can create AMIs by going to instance, right clicking on web server, go to instance, create image, and it would give you option. You can name the image and description. We would be adding two images. One is dinostore web server, for which the description would be image of dinostore website VM, and the other would be Dinos Q server, which for the description would be image of Dinostore Q server VM. Once these AMIs are created, you can view them under AMIs. To proceed further, we would launch the Dinostore web server to create an instance again further. Once we would click on launch, it will give us a menu to select T2 micro. We can leave it default and choose no preferences, as you can choose your own preference, or else you can choose your own preferences. I have chosen my own preference, and IAM role would be web server role that we have already made. Go to storage to leave it default. Add tags. For adding tags, you need to click on web server 02. Configure security settings. You would select the existing security group which we have already created, that is web RDP group. Review and launch. Once you would launch, it will ask you to pair it with a new key or existing key. We would go for the existing key because I've already made a key, or else you can make a new key, but make sure that you going further you would use the same key. Once you launch the instance, your instance would be ready in a minute, and you can view the instance on EC2 instance dashboard. That can be shown over here. Going to instances. Now you can launch your replica server by clicking on web server O2 and click on connect. Download the remote desktop file, launch it. To launch the web server from the original file, what you need to do is you need to select the public DNS, open it into a browser, and it will launch the website. You can make a note of the IP over here. The website from replica web server is now launched. You can notice private IP on top of left page of the web page. Both the website private IP's address is different. That means our website is running on both the servers successfully, on the replica as well as the normal ones. By this we would complete this lab. I hope that you won't face any problem during deploying your AMI instance for replica server. A replica server is essential because it makes the system highly available to the end user, and it also provides high performance by sharing load balance. In the next lab, we would be discussing about elastic IPs and uses of elastic IPs in this lab. Thank you.